First things first, avoid generic messages like, "Hey, what's up?" Instead, show genuine interest by referencing something specific you know about her. It could be a hobby, a recent trip she took, or even a meme she shared. Personalizing your messages sets you apart from the crowd. Tactic 2. Use humor. Wisely. Host. Humor is a powerful tool, but it's all about balance. Don't overdo it with cheesy pickup lines. Instead, opt for lighthearted jokes or playful banter. Make her laugh, but keep it respectful and gauge her responses to know when to dial it up or tone it down. Tactic 3. Be genuine and authentic. Authenticity is key. Be yourself, and don't try to be someone you're not just to impress her. Share your passions, your interests, and your quirks. Genuine conversations are more engaging and memorable. Tactic 4. Listen and respond. Thoughtfully. Host. Listening is just as important in texting as it is in face-to-face conversations. Pay attention to what she's saying and respond thoughtfully. Ask follow-up questions to show you're genuinely interested in getting to know her better. Tactic 5. Know when to take the lead. Host. Lastly, don't be afraid to take the lead in the conversation. Suggest fun activities or ask her out on a date if the timing feels right. Confidence is attractive, but remember to respect her boundaries and be gracious if she declines. And there you have it, folks. 5 tactics to level up your texting game with the ladies. Remember, it's all about being genuine, respectful, and engaging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time.